Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a tool of Photoshop, which is called Marquee Tool. That how you can use the Marquee Tool and what is the benefit of the Marquee Tool. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the Photoshop. And before installing the Photoshop, you have to download it from the Google. And after that, you have to install it. And after that, you have to open the Photoshop. So as you can see, I have already opened the Photoshop and I have already inserted a picture. You need to do that in the same way. And after that, as you can see, here's a tool of the Marquee Tool. So we have to click on this. After clicking on this tool, we have to select the area. For example, I'm going to select the area of this one. So first of all, if you want to move this tool, if you want to move this area, you can also do that. You have to select this move tool, and after selecting move tool, you have to drag this wherever you want. For example, I'm going to press the Control Z. So after that, this was that how you can move area. And now if you want to create a duplicate of this area, you can also do that. Simply you just have to press the Alt button, and after pressing the Alt button, then you have to drag and the duplicate will be created. So as you can see, this is the duplicate, and now you can place it anywhere wherever you want. For example, I'm going to place it here, and if you want to place it here, it's up to you. So as you can see, I have pasted it here, and I'm going to press the Control D. Control D is the shortcut key of deselect. So as you can see, if you want to deselect it, then simply you have to press the Control D, and now it's done. You have to right click on this, and after right clicking on this, as you can see, here's another tool which is called elliptical marquee tool. If you want to do in the round shape, you can also do that. Simply you have to create it, and after that, if you want to move it, you can use that. If you want to move it, simply you have to click on the move tool, and then you have to drag it wherever you want. For example, I'm going to want here, and now then, and Control Z. And now if you want to create a duplicate, press the Alt and then drag it, and the duplicate will be automatically created. So I'm going to drag it here. So in this way, you can create a duplicate. If you want to deselect it, you have to press the Control D. So in this way, you can use the Marquee tool. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the Marquee tool in Photoshop. So see you guys in the next video.